Hello everyone, you are welcome on Errors Overflow. Today we will see how to create 1 gigabyte of binary array in TypeScript. For that we are using this 1024 into 1024 into 1024. This will be equivalent to this bytes, and we are using uint8 array to create array and providing this value into that. So it creates array of length this one, and for each it will be initialized with 0. So if I run this, so it will be value will be 0, and if I do this the length, so this is the value. So this will be uh, of size of this bytes. Thanks for watching. Stay connected to Errors Overflow.